All right, I'm going for it. It's nice and hot.
Oh, that looks good, man. That looks good.
Me too. They gave me some spices for it though, man. Let's put a little spices on it. What's going on, family? It's your man Matt DV. We are over here off of Carroll Street and I want something to eat. I'm hungry. I'm over here supporting my friend. She's selling her goods at the market. So always like to support, but I'm hungry now. And she's vegan. Please, I'm going to get me something to eat. So I am, like I said, in Brooklyn. So I have two options, the Puerto Rican, or I think the other spot's Dominican. So let me check it out. This Puerto Rican spot's over here. I'm gonna get the tripleta. I'm getting the tripleta. That's gonna, and maybe a water. Well, a water, not maybe, but I'm definitely gonna get a water. That'll be it. We're getting the tripleta.
My name's Al Rosario. So I built Kiosko 787 for the love of my culture, for my people, for us to have somewhere to go, because these days we really don't have anything Puerto Rican in the area.
Why the name Kiosko?
So Kioskos in Puerto Rico are something that exists there on the island. You have them in places like Piñones, you have them in Luquillo. When I saw the space, I said, this is a Kiosko, this is what this is gonna be. So that's why I named it that. And 787 is the area code of Puerto Rico, so I kind of just took that and made it Kiosko 787.
So that's not the address?
No, that's not the address.
Oh, yeah. Wow. Okay, last question. I ordered the tripleta. Tell us about that.
So the tripleta is the Puerto Rican, I guess, response to the Cuban. It's our sandwich, our national sandwich.
Thank you very much. Oh, my bag, y'all. We about to go eat this. What's going on, family? It's your man Matt DV. We are here in Brooklyn, New York, and I got this tripleta. It's got sirloin steak, ham, beef, man. What else is in there? What else is in there? Everything. Everything, y'all. We're gonna put all the ingredients up right there. And let me just see. How's the sandwich? Delicious. Delicious? Okay, all right, let's check it out, y'all. Let's see what's happening.
Don't forget about the sauce.
Let's see. Oh, I gotta put the sauce on it. Y'all know I be forgetting the sauce. Thank you for reminding me.
Crucial.
Oh, wait a minute. This looks like, what do they call the sauce that with the ketchup and the mayo? Like Thousand Island sauce?
I think so.
I had to put the sauce on it, y'all. All right, I'm going for it. It's nice and hot.
Thank you for sitting here with those lovely coffee.
This is really good. That's a lot of meat on that sandwich. Wow. This is really good. The sirloin steak is really flavorful. And it's a lot of it, man. It's got ham on here also. See the ham in there? Wow. The bread. They toasted the bread or grilled the bread. Has a nice grilled buttery taste.
Yeah, I don't know. Something like that.
Look at the sirloin steak on there, y'all. So a lot of meat, real hearty sandwich. It was on the menu at $17. I got 2 whole pieces here. This is definitely enough for 2 people. My neighbors over here, they ordered 1 sandwich and they're sharing it. I had never heard of this spot. I was at the event down the street and they had suggested I come here. Brand new opening. If you're in this area of Brooklyn, check them out. We're definitely gonna get something else before we leave New York.
I'm kind of like, usually in like, I'm a quantity over quality.
Wow, I really knocked that sandwich down, right? Takes a little pull to bite into the steak, but it's tasty, it's delicious, and you can chew it, it's not tough. Okay, y'all, I ate half of that sandwich. I didn't want to eat both halves, so it definitely filled me up. All right, y'all, scale of 1 to 10. She's the spokesperson.
A really good sandwich.
So scale of 1 to 10. 8.5. I give it an 8, y'all. She gives it an 8.5. It is very delicious. If you guys are out this way, we're gonna put the address up. Come check it out. We're about to go to around the corner. I think it's a Dominican spot that we're gonna, I think it's actually called Ricee and Beans, maybe? We're gonna go around there, check it out. I'll see you guys at the next location. Peace.
Tengo que ir primero a buscarle agua.
All right, y'all, we're about to walk up on our second location of the day. All right, there's a spot right there, y'all. Like, I like these little spots, man, that you see a lot of people from the Spanish culture going in. This spot right here is called Ricee and Beans. Let's go see what Ricee and Beans got. Let's see what they got. Let's see what they got. Let's see what they got. See what they got. All right, we ready now. We ready. Oh, that looks good, man. That looks good. We're gonna get the rice and the beans, and yes, ma'am. I'm gonna get the rice and beans, and give me the white. And yeah, that's a good one. I'm gonna get some type of meat. What type of meat do I want? What kind of meat is that? Is that just boiled pork? Is it boiled pork? This is a chicken though, right? That's the pork? Yeah, give me that one. Yeah, so we're gonna get the rice and beans, y'all, with the pig feet on them. We're gonna call them pig feets. Pig feets. What's going on, family? We are at our spot number 2. We went to the Puerto Rican spot. Now we're at a spot called Ricee and Beans, man. And you guys saw the food here. This is what we got right there. Let's check it out, man. Gotta hold this up, man. It's kind of tight in here. All right, first we're gonna try a little bit of that pork with the rice on it. Hold up. The rice and beans are really seasoned well, really tasty. They gave me some spices for it though, man. Let's put a little spices on it. And that pork. Go for the rice and beans once again. Let's check it out. All right, this is the second spot. I should have came here first because I'm a little full on that half a sandwich, but they are good. I know all of y'all don't eat pork, but these are pig feet. Wow, that's really good. Really flavorful. I can tell they cooked it in just a hint of vinegar too. I'm trying to be polite, man. I don't want to dig him with my Carolina forks. I want to use my Carolina forks, y'all. Look, it's kind of falling off the bone here. That's a lot of food. That was $11. If you're ever in this area, you can come to either spot. They both good. Just wanted to hit 2 spots in one in Brooklyn, New York. This your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you are hanging with the wrong people. I love you cats, man. Have a beautiful day. See you guys at the next one. Peace. Now I just took the 4 train back and headed to the World Trade Center. Catch the PATH train back to Jersey. Saturday afternoon. All right, the reason I wanted to film here is because I be tempted every time to stop at this spot coming up. I be really tempted. I wanted y'all to know my temptation is right here. I'm not gonna stop though. My doctor would kill me, man. Yo, it's just mad sugar. My temptation, yo. That dude looked at me like, go on and just kill yourself. World Trade Center, y'all, about to go into here, underneath. Thank you. They got the ice skating going on. The ice skating. That's what it is, y'all, the ice skating. They got ice skating. World Trade Center train. Those are roller skates, y'all. I thought it was ice skating. They're roller skating.